there's a lot of quarterbacks that have thrown 12 interceptions in their career in the National Football League. And there's a lot of quarterbacks that have struggled over the course of a season. Lamar Jackson is what he is. A lot of people have reservation about Lamar. It's not because of his arm strength. It's because of his style. Okay, they like a certain thing in the National Football League. They like the Matthew Staffords of the world. They like the Patrick Mahomeses of the world. They don't like guys moving around, off-schedule plays, running around, using their legs, throwing the football. We went through the same thing for many years with Michael Vick. Oh, it'll never work. It'll never work. Eventually, his career ended. He never got to a Super Bowl to win one. But he also got in trouble. It derailed his career. But when he got back on track in Philadelphia, it was something to see. And I think if the Baltimore Ravens, much like some of these other teams, and you know the teams like the Buffalo Bills that acquired Stephon Diggs to help Josh Allen, or the Las Vegas Raiders that just made a decision to get Devontae Adams to help Carr, or the Philadelphia Eagles, A.J. Brown, you see where I'm going, to help these young quarterbacks out. What was the first thing, and you know this, Amber, Jay, and Molly, that the Arizona Cardinals did when they had a chance to help Kyler Murray? They went and got DeAndre Hopkins to help Kyler Murray. When are we going to see the Baltimore Ravens, not via the draft, not via of bottom-feeding free agent receivers, but acquiring a Michael Thomas from the New Orleans Saints, or stealing a DK Metcalf from the Seattle Seahawks, something along those lines to help out this emerging superstar quarterback in Lamar Jackson? When are we gonna see them do that? They haven't. And you hear people say, well, no one wants to play with Lamar. That's not true.
That's not true.
That's not true at all.
You know whose help they could have used? The most dynamic, explosive, fun to watch player in the entire NFL in Tyreek Hill. The Ravens should have looked into that this offseason.
Yeah. But you know what? They had Hollywood. They had Hollywood Brown.
We'll get into OBJ a little later in the show, though. We don't need to go there now. We're going to get into commercial break. You're right.
Here we go with the Giants.
What does that OBJ have to do with the Giants? He just came off the Rams.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.